In the world of home design, we stand out as a pioneer in providing innovative and functional solutions, particularly when it comes to wardrobe interiors. LiveSpace's design ideas serve as a comprehensive resource for those seeking not just a cupboard but a bespoke, ergonomic, and aesthetically pleasing storage solution. It explores the world of modular wardrobe designs, highlighting LiveSpace's commitment to smart storage, user-friendly functionality, and a diverse range of styles and materials. Diversity in design. LiveSpace recognizes that one size does not fit all when it comes to wardrobe interiors. Their modular designs cater to a wide spectrum of tastes, preferences, and room sizes. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look, a classic and timeless feel, or something bold and eclectic, LiveSpace has a wardrobe designed to match. Ergonomics at its core. LiveSpace's wardrobe interiors are not just visually appealing. They are also ergonomically designed to enhance functionality. Smart storage solutions ensure that every inch of space is utilized efficiently, providing ample room for your belongings without compromising on style. The thoughtful layout of shelves, drawers, and hanging spaces makes accessing and organizing your wardrobe a breeze. A plethora of colors and finishes. LiveSpace understands that personalization is key when it comes to home design. Their wardrobe interiors come in a myriad of colors, finishes, and materials, allowing you to create a piece that seamlessly integrates into the existing aesthetic of your bedroom. Whether you envision a calming neutral palette or a bold statement piece, LiveSpace has the options to bring your vision to life. Function-forward cupboard designs. LiveSpace goes beyond the conventional by offering cupboard designs that prioritize functionality without sacrificing style. Their designs are not only visually striking but also easy to use, promising a seamless experience for daily storage needs. LiveSpace's commitment to creating spaces that are not just beautiful but also practical sets them apart in the world of wardrobe interiors. Customization for your unique space. LiveSpace's extensive collection of wardrobe interior designs is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each design serves as a canvas for customization, allowing you to tailor it to the specific dimensions and requirements of your bedroom. This commitment to personalization ensures that your wardrobe is not just a piece of furniture, but a reflection of your individual style and needs. If you've ever found yourself stressed and overwhelmed by the seemingly insurmountable task of selecting the perfect outfit for your day, you're not alone. The importance of a functional and accessible wardrobe cannot be overstated, as it plays a pivotal role in streamlining your daily routine. Enter Inspirations, your ultimate partner in crafting bespoke wardrobe solutions that not only alleviate your worries, but also add a touch of elegance to your home. The art of wardrobe crafting. At Inspirations, we understand the significance of a well-designed wardrobe. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's an essential element that contributes to the seamless flow of your daily life. Our team of skilled professionals specializes in turning even the most challenging corners of your bedroom into functional spaces, where every inch is utilized to accommodate your belongings and accessories. Tailor-made excellence. No two homes are the same, and we believe your wardrobe should reflect the uniqueness of your living space. Our wardrobe manufacturers in Pakistan are dedicated to creating tailor-made closets that not only meet your storage needs, but also enhance the aesthetics of your home. From sleek and modern designs to classic and timeless aesthetics, we have the expertise to transform your vision into a tangible reality. Optimizing space with style. One of the standout features of our wardrobe solutions is our ability to optimize space without compromising on style. We understand that every square foot in your home is valuable, and our designs aim to make the most of it. Our functional spaces not only provide ample room for your belongings, but also add a touch of sophistication to your surroundings. Say goodbye to worries. With Inspirations by your side, bid farewell to wardrobe-related worries. Our team is dedicated to understanding your unique requirements and crafting solutions that align seamlessly with your lifestyle. No corner of your room is too challenging for us. We thrive on turning design challenges into opportunities to create functional and visually appealing wardrobes. Why choose Inspirations? Expert craftsmanship. Our team of wardrobe manufacturers boasts unparalleled expertise, ensuring that each piece is crafted with precision and attention to detail. Customization. We believe in the power of customization. Your wardrobe should be as unique as you are, and we take pride in creating bespoke solutions tailored to your preferences. Functional elegance. Our designs not only prioritize functionality, but also exude elegance. We seamlessly blend practicality with aesthetics to enhance your living space. Conclusion. Say goodbye to the stress of selecting your daily outfits by entrusting inspirations with the tap. Our team of wardrobe manufacturers in Pakistan is ready to transform your living space, ensuring that every corner is optimized for both functionality and style. Let's embark on this journey together and create tailor-made closets that reflect the true essence of your home. I hope you like these ideas. Thank you for watching.